Hello, this is just a short video, and in this clip I'm going to be showing you how to find the length of the arc of a circle using degrees. Firstly, you should be familiar with what the circumference of a circle is. The formula for that is circumference is pi times diameter, or pi times 2 times radius. Now let's have a careful look at this diagram over here. The length of this arc over here is going to be proportional to the size of this angle theta right over here. So to get the formula for the length of the arc, because the length of the arc is proportional to the size of this angle over here, we can use the constant of proportionality, and that is k. So from here, if we have the length of the arc is proportional to the size of the angle, we can say that L is k times theta. Okay? Now here's what's cool. When L is a quarter of the circumference, which is a quarter times pi times 2r, the angle, right, theta, should be 90 degrees. If we plug these values into this expression over here, or equation, L is equal to k times theta, what we end up with is a quarter times pi times 2r is k times 90 degrees. From here, what we can do is divide both sides of this equation by 90 degrees so that we isolate k. And what we get for the value of k is 2 pi r over 360 degrees. So this is k, the constant of proportionality, and we can plug it back in to this equation over here to get the value of L using degrees. This means that if you're using degrees instead of radians, the length of the arc is going to be theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay? If you have any questions related to this video, just leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. For more mathematics content, check out mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.